All right, we're going to show how to mount a 51 tooth blackout flash hider onto the muzzle of this Noveske 18-inch barrel. I made a much longer video showing how I prep the threads and all that stuff, and kept getting interrupted, so we've already done the work, and this is like video number 4. So what I did was I used a worn out bronze brush to clean the threads, the shoulder, and the crown. Also the corresponding threads inside the flash hider, because this is used, even if it was a new one, you want to clean it out, make sure there's no manufacturing debris in there. And then I used a degreaser to clean the threads with a rag, threads in the muzzle device as well. Used a rag to wipe everything out. So we're going to mount this. So first off, when mounting a muzzle device for a suppressor, never ever use a crush washer. And these don't require a washer anyway, and you don't need to time these. Now, some people sometimes will put the muzzle device on, so if you have an opening at 6 o'clock, they don't like that. They want this. If that's what you want, then you'll have to use some shims to get that effect. I don't care about this, and I am not permanently or even semi-permanently attaching this. This is just going on for some accuracy testing that won't involve any high volume of fire. So I'm not concerned about it coming off. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. You'll notice that there's wrench flats on this. So it's better to use this AAC tool, and I've set this to 20 foot-pounds. All right, that's all there is to it.